Hello guys, today let's check how we can connect the Xbox application on our phone to our Xbox console. And this will allow you easily to share from your phone game clips and screenshots, chat with your friends, view and share achievements, get notifications, even install new games by selecting them from your phone. And last and most important, play remotely games from your Xbox console on your phone or your tablet. I'm very curious especially about the last one, and the good news is that Xbox app is available on iOS devices and on Android. So let's jump to our Xbox and check how everything works. Before doing anything, we need to enable remote feature on our Xbox console, so let me show you how to do it. So let's go to our settings, then to device and connections, and select the second option here that says remote features. Select enable remote features down here, and the Xbox will test your setup to identify if there is any problem connecting your console to the Xbox application. The results show us that I need to change some settings and I need to turn off the energy saving option when I turn off my console. So let's go back one step to change that first. We go to power options here and select sleep. Just letting you know that this option will consume more power, more electricity, as the console is not shutting down but just going to sleep mode. So we select the sleep option and let's go now to check again our remote play results. Now the result says we're good to go and the remote play should work normally. The Xbox application, you can easily find it on Play Store or Apple Store depending which phone you're using, by simply type Xbox, install the app and sign in into your account. To remember which email you have, you can check it here on your Xbox menu or in the settings by going to the settings, account, sign in security and PIN, and you can see there your accounts and the email you use. So we sign in to our account, finish the setup, and you're ready to use your Xbox app. Scrolling through the app, there is many nice features that keep you connected to your friends and your games. On social, you can easily find your friends, create parties, and immediately chat with your pals. On the app, you can also share and watch your game captures and screenshots, as well as view and share your achievements. You can also set up your console straight from the app. The interesting part is that you are able to install games from the application and even launch games from it on your console. For example, let's select to install the Red Dead Redemption on our Xbox. And now let's see. And yes, Xbox starts instantly installing the game. Just amazing. And let's demonstrate how we can launch a game on our console by selecting it from the Xbox app on the phone. Here let's select to open the Harry Potter game. And yes, as you see, it's launching on our console immediately. Last, with remote play, you can use your mobile device as a console remote controller and navigate normally through your Xbox menu. And of course, access and play games remotely on the phone, and that is the cherry on the top, as this feature is remarkable. I can even be in another room playing games that I have installed on my Xbox console here using just my smartphone and my Xbox controller. As you see, there is zero lag, and of course you need to have a good internet connection plus pass the check for remote play that we did before with green colors. You better be connected to your router's 5G network, if not you may face some disconnections. Overall, the Xbox app gives a lot of value to your system. If you wanna check how I mount my smartphone on top of my controller and how to connect them by Bluetooth, check the next videos right here. Here, those two.